Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to demo trade on Bitget, right? So first up, just log into your Bitget account, okay, under bitget.com. And then once you're in here, on this specific page, you just go ahead and go to futures, okay? And in here, hover over your mouse and then scroll all the way down and you will have demo trading. So on the right panel, you have two options. The classic demo trading. And the second one is the UTA demo trading. So it says here, classic, use demo trading funds to simulate real trading with no risk. And the second one is access a risk-free unified account with demo trading funds. So just basically select one of these options right here. For example, just the classic one. And then upon entering for the first time, you are credited with SUSDT or mock USDT. For you, of course, to simulate trades. All right, that is your virtual funds. So if you want to add one, by the way, just go ahead and go to the section right here, scroll down and adjust demo trading funds. Okay, as you can see here, 10,000 is the maximum for USDT and 0.001 to 0.5 Bitcoin. Okay, well, let's just go ahead and add in 10,000, then the 0.5. And then the Ethereum, 10 Ethereum. Hit on confirm, wait for it, and here you have your balance. Wow. I wish it's real money. All right, so that's just easy it is to restock your funds. Okay, you can adjust, restock, or delete funds. The interface right here mirrors live trading, okay, allowing you to set take profit or TP and even stop loss, or in short SL levels. So just some few restriction right here. Demo funds right here cannot be withdrawn or transferred to your live account. Okay, so you can just go ahead and navigate through these settings right here. For example, you wanted to pair Ethereum and USDT, just click on it. Here you have the live trading view, open long, open short, even set the TP and SL right here. It's up to you. Okay. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to demo trade here on Bitget. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.